Hi, today I want to answer a big question. What is the fastest way to improve your pronunciation? Well, I've just launched something brand new. And because you're my loyal YouTube audience, you get to hear about it first. It's my new pronunciation community on Skool. Think Facebook, but with no ads, no noise, just pure value. There are 3 routes to improve your pronunciation. The community route, which is free. Inside, you'll get weekly pronunciation tutorials, challenges and quizzes. Ask questions and get expert help from me. A fun group to keep you motivated. No fluff, just real help. And right now, joining is completely free. Then there's the self-study route, and the cost is only a one-off $5. This includes all the community benefits, plus the very best of my YouTube lessons, organised into a step-by-step pronunciation course. Perfect if you're an independent learner. And yes, it's only $5 for now. But don't wait. This is an early bird offer, and the price will increase. Then, for the fastest results, there is my academy. But there are limited places. This is where you'll get coaching directly with me, a personalised assessment, your own improvement roadmap, regular reviews and progress reports, plus community membership and full access to the self-study course. This is the fastest way to sound clear and confident in English. The opening offer price is $49 per month. And because I'm giving so much value, places are limited. I'm starting with only 10 spots. Now, here's a quick look inside Skool, so you can see how it works.
This is the Community tab, where you'll see posts and comments. Here's the Classroom, where you'll find courses. Here's the Calendar, where you'll find calls or events. You can attend live or add them to your calendar. And here's a map where you can see where everybody is. This is great for making friends. To keep up with the community, there's posts. You can open them like this, you can like them, leave a comment, and you can click this bell to get notified when there's new activity. You can view people's profiles like this and follow them to be notified when they post. You can message them privately like this. You can access your settings here to change your profile or notification preferences. Complete the onboarding here by commenting on a post and downloading the app. Welcome to the community. Have fun.
And for a quick recap, here's a comparison chart showing all 3 routes. Community, a great place to start. Self-study, great for the independent learner. Academy, for the fastest results. Remember, these are opening offers, only for my YouTube audience. Prices will go up. So don't wait. Click the link below and join us today. I can't wait to see you inside.